Hello everyone, here to help you reach your target ACT and SAT scores. My name is Michael, and welcome to PrepMate. Today, we are going to be covering function of the underlined sentences questions. Let's go. These questions may seem straightforward, and they can be, but only if you do not fall for their trap. A lot of inexperienced students have a tendency to focus only on the part of the paragraph that is underlined, but this is no good. Think about it this way. If a question is asking us for the function of a sentence, it is asking us this within the broader context of the passage. If we want to have a clear idea of what the underlined sentence is doing, we want to consider how it fits within its surroundings. In short, one quick method you can use to help increase your accuracy with this question type is read the sentence before and after the underlined one. This way, you can start to see what the function of the underlined sentence is. Here is a quick example. Take the sentence, running is an effective method for building stamina. You don't know what the function of this sentence is because it's all alone. However, if I add the sentence before it that says, there are many workouts that can help boost your cardiovascular health, it becomes clear that the sentence, running is an effective method for building stamina, serves as an example of the previous statement. Now, let's replace the first sentence with weightlifting excels at building muscle mass and make some small changes to the second sentence so that it says, however, running is an effective method for building stamina. Here, we can see that the same sentence now serves as a contrast to the first one. Weightlifting is good at this one thing, but running is good at this other thing. The same sentence now functions to highlight what running is good for, especially when compared to weightlifting. There are many more potential examples that I could go through, but I think I've made my point. That wraps up the quick lesson about sentence function questions. For some key takeaways, remember, these questions are just asking you what is this underlined sentence doing, so make sure to read its surrounding sentences to get a better idea of what the underlined sentence's function is. In short, make sure you read the sentence before and after the underlined one. Thank you guys so much for watching, and good luck studying. Later.